love Virat Kohli?
I don't. Someone from CSK.
CSK will rock tonight. RCB will suck.
Well, I'm standing right outside the Anbudhen Chennai Super Kings. It's the home game, second home game for CSK, and once again it will be in action. But this time, after beating Mumbai, it is the big one, and by that I really mean a big one, as Royal Challengers Bengaluru have made their way to Chepauk. Can Chennai Super Kings retain their 2-0 record or unbeaten record at home? Let's ask the fans. So what are you guys looking out for the game?
It's our fortress. What do you expect?
Right.
We are gonna chase it down whatever they are gonna bat, and we are gonna take their wickets if you are bowling in second innings. So it's a fortress. Nobody can beat us here. That is why it's called unbeaten.
Nobody can beat us. It's a very strong, but as you can see, we have a long list of CSK fans. In between, we also have RCB fans as well. At the same time as well. But I'll go again right back to the fans once again. As he said that it's a fortress for Chennai. Yeah, what do you guys have to say?
CSK will rock tonight. RCB will suck.
CSK will win. Who will be the player of the game? Dhoni?
No, someone from CSK.
Someone from CSK. Okay, so what do you like more, Dhoni's entrance or the whole game?
The entire thing.
The entire game?
Yes, that's for we are all waiting.
Right. But you all guys know, right? We are playing against RCB. They have beaten Kolkata, and they also have someone called as Virat Kohli. So what do you think about Virat Kohli now coming to Dhoni's den and trying to outscore Dhoni and Chennai?
Hopefully he doesn't bat. He's much consistent, that I know, but hopefully he doesn't continue his form here. And we have lots of good spinners also. So hopefully we take his wicket.
So what do you prefer, a high-scoring game or a low-scoring 150 sort of a game?
These high-scoring games are now in trending, but I don't know. I don't like it much. Yeah. It's always the low-scoring thrillers that we are expecting here in Chepauk. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you have to say about the game?
Definitely we'll win.
Definitely CSK will
Yeah.
win. RCB has no chance?
No. Not here.
Like
No.
all CSK right through?
Yeah.
So I could only find you as the odd one out over here. Obviously we are in Chennai, so you expect a lot of Chennai support. But you are supporting RCB, as I can see from the jersey. Tell us, how can RCB beat Chennai?
RCB can beat Chennai by their batting only. Batting is pretty strong than their bowling. So we can choose second batting and chase. Yes.
Okay. And like he said that we have spinners and all. Chennai has spinners. What do you have to say on that?
Yeah, we have pretty of Rajat Patidar, Virat Kohli. We can tackle spinners more than that.
You don't love Dhoni?
Yeah, I love Dhoni.
You love Dhoni, but you want CSK to lose. That's the way? So any counter?
It's not happening. It's not happening.
What lies at the center of Chennai Super Kings is not the color yellow, but the energy that its fans actually vibrate. And we have some super fans right next to me. First of all, what's your name, buddy?
Krishiv.
Sorry?
Krishiv. Drishika. Rinaldi.
So as you can see, all of them are supporting Chennai Super Kings. There's no two questions about it. The match is about to begin. What are you looking forward to? And tell us about the energy around the stadium. I'll come to you first.
Yeah, we're looking forward to CSK winning, obviously. And as you can see, the energy is lit right now. The match is going to be a vibe. And we just cannot wait to see CSK win, as usual.
Who are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to seeing CSK win too. And the vibe seems amazing. I'm just waiting to see what happens and how the match goes.
Who is the one player you would love to see bat today?
Ruturaj Gaikwad.
Directly the skipper, right? Okay. Do you like MS Dhoni?
I like him, but I like Ruturaj Gaikwad more.
Okay. So as you can clearly see, the generational shift has already begun. MS Dhoni has passed on the baton to Ruturaj Gaikwad, and we have Ruturaj Gaikwad fans as well. One last question before I leave you guys. One player from RCB which you feel can make a difference or can challenge.
Virat Kohli.
You love Virat Kohli?
I don't, but yeah, he can make a difference for sure. Virat Kohli, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, I would just like you guys to look into the camera and just chant CSK if you can see. Come on, CSK!
CSK!
And who's going to be tormentor for RCB with the ball?
RCB with the ball, I think RCB have very weak bowling attack.
CSK bowler who will torment the RCB batting line?
Again, Noor Ahmed and Ashwin.
So all of them are like CSK supporter, and expectedly, as because we are in Chennai, but also as I move along, I can come across another RCB fan. RCB fan, what do you have to say on the game? I also have that one. Call him also. What's your name?
He's calling you. Shiva.
Shiva, what do you think of the game? Are you feeling outnumbered by CSK fans here?
No, not at all.
Because when Chennai Super Kings goes to Bangalore, it's almost like 50-50 and we know the reason because of Dhoni. But over here you can clearly see that CSK is outnumbering RCB.
We are not in stadium, man. We are outside.
Right?
On inside, you will see RCB jerseys.
A lot of RCB fans will strong inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
For sure.
Who are you looking forward to watching the game from RCB?
I'm looking forward for a battle between Virat Kohli and Noor Ahmed.
Virat and Noor Ahmed, that will decide. What about what about Virat and Ashwin?
Ashwin, he will play because he has played Ashwin for so much in the Indian nets also.
Right.
He will play safely.
Right.
Noor Ahmed is the only threat.
And what do you say about MS Dhoni, the mastermind?
MS Dhoni,
He will be plotting Virat Kohli's downfall for sure.
yeah, for sure. Kohli also plotting MS Dhoni's downfall also.
But Dhoni might not bat also, na?
Yeah.
Dhoni will certainly bat. He will be the opener. Dhoni will bat at 7 or 8. Right?
Yeah.
So the chances of Virat Kohli getting out is way higher than MS Dhoni coming out to bat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you bat as a opener, the chances of getting out are high.
Okay, who do you think?
When you bat at 7, you will stay as not out and your average will increase.
Right. But last game he batted only 2 balls and scored
Yeah.
nothing. But he was there in the end. Okay, I'll change the question. Who do you think is the biggest threat from CSK side? Apart from Noor?
Apart from Noor, Sachin Ravindra.
As you can see, there are only human counts outside the Chennai Chepauk, and both RCB and CSK fans have gathered outside to watch this blockbuster contest that is between Chennai Super Kings and Royal Challengers Bengaluru. There's still some time left for the game and all the fans are patiently waiting, and we also have a very hardcore fan with us. What's your name, friend?
My name is Vikrant Pillai.
Vikrant, what makes you bring to Chepauk today?
The rivalry between RCB and CSK. I just always wanted to see RCB and CSK match. I wanted to see RCB to win.
Right, you also come along, man. You also come along. So, what's your name?
So my name is Sri Surya, and as Vikrant said, this is a very nice rivalry, and being a CSK fan and RCB fan, it will be like a really nice experience watching this rivalry together with opposing views.
Right. Okay, so basically he is supporting CSK, and as you can see from his jersey, he is clearly supporting RCB. So quite a divided unit amongst friends. But that's what this rivalry does to you. Even in friends, even in your family members, you have someone supporting CSK and the other supporting RCB. So who do you think is going to be the game changer?
I guess it could be Phil Salt or Rajat Patidar from RCB side. I'm gonna say that it could be Josh. I can't say about CSK, but there are a lot of players.
Right.
We're gonna win today.
There are equally worthy players in CSK as well, such as the openers, and they can also make quite the impact, and they can score well, and it will be a good chase for whoever chases after the match.
Right. So I'll just request the camera person to just show you that the fans have already started moving into the stadium, and the music has started blowing, and it's gonna be one very big blockbuster contest. We also have CSK fans coming over here. Who do you think will win?
Obviously.
Obviously the CSK.
Yeah, CSK.
We have people across ages, and that's the beauty of Chennai. Chennai Super Kings is not just related to one certain section or one certain age group. You could see people from middle age, you could see young fans, you could also see the elderly people, coming into the stadium, and we still have a lot of fans. As you can say, the sound has already started, the bugle has already started off, but the fans are waiting very, very patiently. But trust me, this patience is going to run out once the toss actually happens. And like I said, it's a South Indian derby. It's something which both the people from Bangalore and Chennai look forward to. And this time, the rivalry has been ignited very early in the first week itself. So who is going to take this battle? For all the CSK fans and playing in Anbudhen, playing at home, they will be thinking of taking this game. But for RCB this time, they look like a good team. But can they breach Chennai's fortress? That remains to be seen. With camera person KK, this is Abhijit Singh reporting for the Federal.